PPP update. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I bring this content to you guys each and every day. So number one, that's why it's so important to make sure you are subscribed. Number two, I will be doing a giveaway to you, at the end of the month. So you guys want to stay tuned. You guys want to be all in the loop, especially when it comes to this giveaway. Now let's get right into this because a lot of people have been questioning the PPP extension. The PPP extension. They also been questioning people signing up with whether it's with Chime, Varo Bank, what's exactly going on. So I'm about to give you guys a little bit more insight. I know today is Sunday. A lot of people hopefully may have woke up funded or go to sleep funded. Guys, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. As always, I will try my best, guys. I will try my best to keep everybody updated. And with that being said, let's get right to this. So we got 518 signer, finally got an update. Funds rejected by Varo on 6/16. Now just waiting for the updating process to get funds resent. Good luck, y'all. Now let me know in the comment section if you have received your funds. If you haven't, there's nothing wrong if you haven't received them, but just know it does look like people have been getting funded. Now that is always a good a good thing when people get funded. Like I always say, man, I'm gonna try my best to keep everybody updated. And I know a lot of people have been receiving their funds. They said, yo, QUiNTiN, I watch your content, and then a day later or 2 days later, they have been funded. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, guys, but just know I'm trying to give you guys some hope, and then also just know as well, you can be funded any day now. So keep that in your mind as well, where you can actually get funded any day now. So stay tuned. I will keep you guys updated, especially if you're waiting to get funded, because it should be on its way, guys. Your funds should be on their way. Somebody began to say, a glimmer of hope. I signed 527 and Varo Bank as well. I really been stressing behind not being able to update my banking information. Somebody said I signed May 14th. Still waiting. Good luck and congratulations. Same to you and thank you. It's still hope. And that's just what I come to bring. Hopefully I can bring you guys some type of hope when it comes to this, because I know at the end of the day, you're running a business. Funds could be low. You got employees to pay. You got to do everything, right? So I definitely know when it comes to funds and people waiting to get those funds. But I also understand where it's a process, guys. It's a process. A lot of people have been waiting. It's been a waiting game, as we see, since May, since April, since June. People have been waiting, guys. And at the end of the day, all we can do is stay positive, and all I can do is try to give you guys these updates to let you guys know there is hope. People have been reporting to me stating they have been funded. If you have Varo Bank, feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. I also understand Varo Bank watches my content, and hopefully they can help you guys in the comment section. Same as well as Chime. I know a lot of people have Chime, but when it comes to this PPP extension, you guys know I got a lot of content on my channel when it comes to the PPP extension that I actually did. I did on my channel, and you guys can actually go to the playlist. There's a playlist that says PPP extension on my channel. So I try to make it simple for you guys to easily see. Somebody said I've been waiting almost 2 months for that. Somebody said I started my process for 6. I've been waiting too long myself. Somebody said sign the same day. And everybody's different. Everybody's different, guys. Everybody is different, especially when it comes to getting funded. You got a different business size. You may have 20 employees. This person may have 500 employees. So it really all depends, guys. But they do like to They do like to fund in batches. And when I say batches, I mean they may fund 500,000 people. They may, at a time, 100,000 people at a time, 200,000 people at a time. So the funds may all come at different times, but just know those funds are, the funds are there. The funds are coming. At the end of the day, depending on however they do, in whatever they do to get those funded. Now, I know a lot of people is questioning when are we gonna get funded. I've had this, I've had that. Just know when it all comes down to it, the funds are on the way. It's just a waiting game, guys. It's really just a waiting game, and I just want to keep that up for you guys. It is just a waiting game, you know. That's just the matter of fact of it. It is a waiting game. Let's see what else we can get here. Somebody said, I've been creating tickets and they told me that my loan was stuck. Yeah, they was doing the same thing to me, and I finally stopped emailing them, and I happened to check my email today and saw they emailed me Wednesday. Just keep checking your email. As I said, that may be the best thing to do, guys. Just continue to check your email. Continue to, you know, check your emails, because we all know at the end of the day, they will try their best. And I feel like they are trying their best to keep everybody funded. You know, they are trying their best to keep everybody funded, and they are trying their best to keep everybody updated. But like I said, I totally understand when it comes to these updates and whatnot. I totally understand how, you know, a lot of people can be upset. A lot of people can be waiting on this, waiting on that. So I totally understand, but just know, guys, at the end of the day, they are working. They are working to get people funded, guys. So that being said, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. I know a lot of people, like I said, I know a lot of people was waiting. A lot of people was waiting on the funds. I know a lot of people are going to receive the funds. It is just a matter of time, guys. It's really just a matter of time. So let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will keep you guys updated the best way that I can. As I said, if you guys got questions about that PPP extension, feel free to drop the comments below. Also, go on my channel as well. You'll see the playlist on my channel that says that as well. So feel free to do that. Once again, my name is Quintin Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Chime. We're also going to be talking about the PPP extension. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Also, drop the comments in the comment section. Let me know where you guys stand. I will try my best to point you guys into the right direction. As you guys already know, I got a lot of financial institutions who actually watch my content, which makes it easier for you and me, because guess what? They will try their best to help you as well. And I will try my best to actually help you guys as well. You know, a lot's been going on, especially when it comes to these PPP loans, other loans and grants out there. I know a lot of people were still waiting for the process. And I mean, basically, because at the end of the day, I'm going to get this in. Hold on, because at the end of the day, we all know people needed to verify different documents, verify everything. So I definitely understand when it comes down to that, why people are upset. Also, let me know in the comment section as well if you guys need help. I will try my best to point you guys in the right direction, as I always said. But let's get right to this. Give me a second here while I pull this up. All right, here we go. And then begin to say, we submitted your loan to the Federal Reserve for funding. It usually takes 7 to 10 business days to hit your account. Keep saying this Blue Acorn, but I signed 527. Bank info is Varo, but I haven't gotten an email or none to update bank info to the dash card. What is really going on? Like, dang. Somebody said to send a ticket. They said so many times, still no response. Now, if you guys have not received anything, and as I always say, you can send tickets in, go to their website, try to find all the contact information. I don't care if there's a number on there, if there's an address, send them letters, do what you have to do. Try to contact their Facebook, their Twitter, you know, because at the end of the day, you can't play with stuff like that. You know what I mean? So try to contact, like I said, if they got a Twitter, hey, at them on Twitter. You can add them on the inbox, add them on the inbox, or at them, and let it be public, but don't put any of your public information out there. A lot of people say, well, if you want to add them, I'm telling you guys to add them, but don't put your socials out there, any specific numbers. Just let them know something is going wrong with your application, you need further assistance, or you can say, hey, just inbox me, or 9 times out of 10, they will say inbox me. So a lot of people have gotten that as well, to the point where they just said, hey, just inbox me and and they'll go from there, So I definitely seen that as well, where people, sent them an ad on Twitter, and guess what? They replied. They replied, and it may not have been in the, like I said, it may not have been in the out for the world, but they replied in the inbox. So try your best way to do that. Somebody began to say, same position here. BA are either scammers or the most incompetent bunch of misfits who ever operated in a loan processing financial sector known to man. Customer service, the dismissive should result in some accountability. Only problem is no phone number, no customer service number, no loan officer, no direct email to a specific human. They are purposely vague in order to avoid accountability. No CEO is listed, no nothing. How in the world can a company tasked with the processing of tens of millions of dollars in loans secured by the SBA not have a single accountable person name listed anywhere on their site if they jam you up? Who is that? We don't even know where the buck stops with these guys. Never has there been this kind of blah, blah, blah with the company. So he's highly upset, okay? Highly upset. He is highly upset. He's angry right now. I totally understand it. And that's why, guys, I try to tell you guys months ago, do your research. When I mean do your research, every number you get, everybody you talk to, write their name down. Learn that from my mom. Write their name down, write their number down, because you never know when tables are turned and you got to reach back out to them. Who do you need? They have all of your information, your address, your socials, how many kids you have, your favorite color. They got all of that, right? But we don't even have a simple email. We can email them when things get tough. So that's why I tell you guys, if you see a number, specific number, always write it out. Always get their emails. Always, you want to do that. You want to do that because that makes, number one, you're holding them accountable. But if you're the business type, you already know that's probably just the best thing to do. At the end of the day, that's just the best thing to do. But I try to preach and tell you guys this months ago. Whoever you talk to, write down the name. Write down their name. If there's an email address, write down their name, because you never, or the email, so if you got to go back into the email, feel free to go back into the email, because like I said, they got all of your information. Sorry about that. They got all of your information, right? And when it comes down to it, now we need help or you need help, and you don't even know who can you even contact. Literally, who can you contact now? And it sucks. It totally sucks, but I definitely understand it, and I really hope everybody the best, especially when it comes to that, because you just don't know. You just don't know. When you're signing up, you're like, I'm not going to need this. I'm not going to need this number. I'm not going to need this. I'm not going to need this person's information. But in reality, you will need it at the end of the day. So I wish everybody the best. I would try my best to get those numbers or whatever if you guys need it. So drop the comments below. If you need an email or number, I would try my best to do that. And like I said, go over to Twitter, go over to Instagram, send them an @ or read comments or something to try to find out some of their contact information. Somebody said, I'm in the same exact position. I signed 527 to deposit with Varo, which from what I gather, they stopped accepting. So I assume it was rejected. I still haven't received any email to update bank info or opt for the dash card. Somebody said, man, I've been ticking the heck out of these people, still none. And Status still says the same thing. Because you know, at the end of the day, no matter how bad you harassed somebody, especially when it comes to the company, it's really out of their hands, you know. And that's just another thing too, where don't stress yourself out, because it's really out of their hands. So let's say you do contact somebody that works for them. They can't push anything through. It's all through the systems. But what they can do is bring some type of hope. And that's hopefully could be enough just to get you going. But you know, that's what they can do, is bring some type of clarity, which they can do that. Somebody said Varo is a little different though. They have not accepted the PPP loans at all and made BA aware of that in the beginning of the program, which has saved Varo from the whole mess of rejecting funds and sending them back. So BA, knowing this, won't even attempt to make deposits. They will just contact you. So I had to put Varo as my bank on application, and before signing DocuSign papers, they emailed and opted for Dash Card 525, then signed papers 531. Varo has definitely been accepting PPP loans. Really, it's pretty simple. Go to Varo's website, click FAQs. Right there, does Varo accept PPP loans? ... No. Then try to find one person on this website that never got a PPP loan on their Varo account. No, which is true. Like, I've seen a lot of people say they was getting deposits, but I haven't seen anybody funded through Varo. I could be mistaken, but not that I can remember. I can see anybody getting funded. Somebody said, same here, sign 527, Varo as well. Obviously no deposits, no emails of deposits being returned, and absolutely nothing from BA. I've asked for a Dash Card and getting automated responses through tickets. I get the email response within minutes of creating tickets, so I know it's a bot. Yeah, they're avoiding that. They're definitely avoiding. They're definitely avoiding. You know, they are definitely avoiding. Is Varo your bank? Change your bank. Varo is sending back the money. Mine is Chase. I got funded once already with them, no problem. It hasn't updated to be able to change for the Dash Card on the portal. So if you guys got questions, like I said, if you guys got questions with the Dash Card, Chase. So we got the Dash Card, Chase, Varo Bank. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. I will try my best to point you guys in the right direction. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Chase, Varo Bank. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. I will try my best to point you guys in the right direction. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you.